I do not use ChatGPT just for chats. I use it to check my ads, find mistakes on my website, make my graphics, turn one video into a week of posts, and tell me what I should do next. In this video, I will show you the exact jobs I give to AI. Stop asking random questions. Give it one real job, like research. Before I make a video, an ad, or a new offer, I do not want to guess. I want to know what people are talking about. So I say, research this topic. Find what people care about right now. Show me the biggest questions, the biggest problems, and useful examples. Give me source links. Keep it simple. For example, I can ask, research what small business owners want to know about AI agents right now. Now, AI helps me find ideas faster, but I still check the sources. AI can find the map, I choose where to go. Your ad may not be bad, it may just be confusing. ChatGPT Work is my ads helper. I can give it my ad text, my ad image, and simple results from the ad. Then I say, look at this ad like a customer. Tell me what the ad is selling, who it is for, and what may make people stop scrolling. Give me 3 simple ideas to improve it. Do not make up results. Maybe the first line is boring, maybe the offer is not clear, maybe the button does not tell people what to do. AI can help you see the ad with fresh eyes. But AI does not know your customers better than you do. So use its ideas, then test them. Your website may be losing customers because people do not know what to do next. ChatGPT Work is also my website checker. This is like QA. QA means checking something before other people use it. I give AI my public website link. Then I say, look at this page like a new visitor. In simple words, tell me what I sell, who it is for, and what I want the visitor to do next. Then show me 3 things that may confuse people. Do not change anything. Maybe the page does not explain your offer fast enough. Maybe the button is hard to find. Maybe the words are too hard. You already know your website, but a new visitor does not. AI helps you see it with new, fresh eyes. Do not ask AI to make pretty graphics. Ask it to make one idea clear. ChatGPT Work can also help me make graphics. I can say, make a simple YouTube thumbnail idea for this video. The video is about, then I give it a topic, use 3 words or less, make the main idea easy to understand on a phone. Or I can ask, make 3 simple social post graphics for this idea. Keep the words big, use one main message in each graphic. The key is simple. One graphic, one idea, one feeling. Then I choose the best version and make it fit my brand. One video can become a week of content. Do not make new ideas every day. ChatGPT Work is also my social media helper. I give it one video, one voice note, or one idea. Then I say, turn this video into 5 short posts. Give each post a strong first line, one simple lesson, and one call to action. Keep it easy to understand. Now, one long video can become a YouTube short, an Instagram post, a LinkedIn post, an email, or a simple tweet. If your tools are connected, AI may also help prepare or schedule the work. But do not let it post everything without checking. Let AI make the draft, you make the final choice. Before you post, ask AI one question. Where would a busy viewer live? ChatGPT Work is my content checker. Before I post a video, I give it a title, hook, thumbnail text, and script. Then I say, check this like a busy viewer. Tell me what is confusing, boring, or too long. Show me the 3 biggest fixes first. Keep the words simple. Sometimes your idea is good, but the first 10 seconds are weak. AI can help you find that before you spend time filming. It can also help you find parts of the long video that can become short clips. I do not need AI to run my whole business. I need it to show me the next best steps. This is my favorite job. ChatGPT work can be my chief of staff. That means it helps me see what matters most. I can give it my notes, content ideas, ads, tasks, and customer questions. Then I say, look at my work, tell me what is working, what needs my attention, and the best 3 things I should do next. Keep it short, do not send, change, or delete anything. This stops me from feeling lost. It helps me focus on the next best step. Here is the most important rule in this video. Give AI one role at a time. Do not say, run my whole business. Say, be my researcher, be my ads helper, be my website checker, be my social media helper. Small job, clear result, and human check at the end. That is how you get real value from ChatGPT work. If you want to learn practical AI workflows like this, step by step, join my AI University community on School. We go deeper into AI tools, agents, automations, and real business use cases. Subscribe for more simple AI videos every week. What job would you give ChatGPT work first? See you in the next one.